What if I told you the ultimate gaming keyboard doesn't just exist, but it's customizable, wireless, and engineered with premium components from top to bottom? This is the ASUS ROG Azoth 75, and it's not just another keyboard. It's a next-generation tool for gamers, enthusiasts, and professionals who demand performance and luxury in a single device. The first thing that grabs your attention is the premium build. Unlike mass-produced plastic boards, the Azoth is a 75% layout keyboard with a gasket-mount structure, offering a soft, cushioned typing experience that's hard to put into words. It's engineered with 3 layers of dampening foam, so every keystroke sounds rich, deep, and satisfying. No harsh clacks, no empty echo, just clean, refined thoughts with every press. And at the core of that smooth performance, ROG NX Snow switches, pre-lubed and ready to dominate. These linear mechanical switches are tuned for fast actuation, consistent key feel, and long-lasting reliability. But here's where it gets better. You're not locked in. The hot-swappable sockets allow you to experiment with your favorite switches, meaning you can tweak, replace, and fine-tune the feel of your board endlessly with zero soldering required. And now let's talk freedom. The ROG Azoth features tri-mode connectivity, wired via USB-C, ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless for gaming, and Bluetooth for mobile or multi-device pairing. Whether you're at your gaming desk, working on your tablet, or switching between PCs, this keyboard adapts instantly. It's perfect for streamers, multitaskers, and anyone who juggles between screens. But the killer feature, the built-in OLED display. Right on the top right of the board, you'll find a customizable screen that can show real-time system stats, volume levels, keyboard profiles, or even your favorite logo or animation. No more alt-tabbing to check your CPU or GPU usage. Just glance down and it's all there. It's not just useful, it's a flex. The metal media knob, smooth RGB per key lighting, premium stabilizers, and double-shot PBT keycaps make it clear this isn't a cheap gimmick. This is enthusiast-grade gear that feels like it should cost double the price. Whether you're writing code, battling in Valorant, editing videos, or simply vibing to your RGB setup, this keyboard handles it all in absolute style. Now, here's the truth. Keyboards like this don't stay in stock for long. The ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is in high demand for good reason. It's rare to find something this beautiful, this powerful, and this customizable in one product. And if you're serious about upgrading your setup, whether for performance, aesthetics, or just the ultimate typing experience, this is the keyboard that's worth every penny. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now and bring home a keyboard that doesn't just perform, it inspires. Like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews and elite gear breakdowns, and most importantly, hit that bell so you don't miss our next drop. But above all, click that link and order your ROG Azoth 75 today. Because once you type on it, there's no going back.